This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 85 of Building the Infinity Saga's Infinity Gauntlet. This video is slightly out of sequence in the published video because I'm still missing a couple of issues. So I can't do any more of the finger that I was doing, but this is starting the little finger, so I can now continue my journey with this until I come back and fill in the gaps. So if you're watching this now as it's just been published, then no, you haven't. Well, you have missed some issues, but you haven't really missed them. They just haven't been published yet, but they will be soon. But for now, I'm going to just basically do what I can and start the little finger. So we can look through the magazine, the Infinity Conflict. All about infinity. Probably the background of the stones, I would expect. I don't know. Doesn't really worry me. So this way we are starting the little finger, the last digit before you move on to the final assembly of the Infinity Gauntlet. Sort of. Sure, before we finish this finger, we're going to be moving on to do the other one. This one looks very sort of tarnished. I mean, they're all looking a bit tarnished, but this one looks, I don't know, more mottled. But there we go. So yeah, we put a little bit together and then keep another bit for next time. Franklin Richards. Oh, the son of Reed and Sue. Okay. The potential to become the most powerful human being on Earth. Interesting. I didn't know anything about that. It's a continuing story. Fantastic 6. 5. And I don't know. I'm not sure. Good stuff. It's nice when families grow and expand and, you know. There we go. Salvador La Roca. Okay. Either an art or writer. Don't know about that. So that's it looking through the magazine. But before I clear this out of the way, there is one other thing. In the last couple of packs, while I've not been able to build stuff, there have been a free gift. We have another t-shirt, which looks quite nice. It's an Infinity War t-shirt. Get rid of the bag, I don't need that anymore. But I've been waiting for this to come along and open because I haven't been able to do a video. Here we go. Quite a plain, I mean, nice, but I was expecting a picture, but it's just the Infinity War logo, which is fine. That's all good stuff. I shall add that to my t-shirt collection and put that in rotation for wearing. So now let's clear this out of the way and let's get this started with this finger. Alright, here we go. We've got the 3 parts. The one plastic bit that we're not going to be using until next time. I shall put that aside. The 2 metal parts that just need to be attached together. Thusly. Same as all of the other fingers previously. Goes together like that with one of these screws doing the job of holding it together. Get that out of there. There we go. Grab my screwdriver. That one should do the job. Through there and into that. Back a bit to break up the thread. And get that nice and tight. There we go. So that's that. That's going to be attached somewhere along the line down here, isn't it? Or something. I can never really tell. No shaping on the inside of that. So I don't know. We'll figure it out next time. So that is it for this issue. Nice to be back building the gauntlet, but a shame that we're missing out some bits, but we'll be filling in the gaps as soon as I can. And eventually the playlist will all be properly numerical and working. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.